Grade 10. Unit 9. Vocabulary. Lesson 1 and 2. Accounting. 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 Barter. 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 Confidentiality. 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 Economics. 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 Insurance. 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 Invest in. Invest in. Invest in. Investment. 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 Loan. 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 Management. 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 Transaction. 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 Lesson 3 workbook. Billionaire. 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 Charitable. 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 Inherit. 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 Philanthropic. 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 Tax return. Tax return. Tax return. Lesson 4 and 5. Auction. 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 Complementary. 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 Login. 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 Shipping. 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 Tax. 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 Lesson 7 and 8. Affluent. 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 Evil. 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 Extinct. 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 Generosity. 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 Gross. 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 In this sense. In this sense. In this sense. Profit. 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 Spur. 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 Success. Success. Success.